Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install iTunes on laptop or PC. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. To download iTunes on your laptop or PC, it is quite easy. For that you just need to open Microsoft Store. Just search your Microsoft Store, and once you find it, just open it, and right here in the search bar we are going to type iTunes, then just hit enter, and yeah, this is the one which we want to download. So just click there, and here we need to click on get, and after hitting on get you need to wait for some time because it will take time depending on your internet speed. So as you can see, my software is now installed, and I am going to show you one thing. For that we just need to type here iTunes first, then hit right click and click on pin to taskbar. Now your app is on taskbar, you just need to open it. Now here read this agreement and hit on agree. Now here click on no thanks, and yeah, now you can use iTunes on your laptop or PC. So yeah guys, that's it. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.